So I don't know if I want to have the flame come in and land right here, and then we get this little flare. It's going to go out. You think everything's fine. And then we're going to get flashes on both sides. Flash, 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 flash. It'll be faster flashes. And then the... Alright, and now that we have the flame is out, now what we're going to do, because this is done, so we don't need this anymore, so we're going to lock that up. Now we're going to have the little flare come in. Alright, let's see. Cool. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so we're going to keep going. Because now we've got the explosion coming up. So now this little flare is done. We don't need this little flare. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to, I'm not entirely sure. We need to set the same stuff that we had here, we need to set it up there. So it comes in, goes out, the flare goes up, lands into the bulb, boom! I timed that just right. Okay, cool. Now, another thing we're going to do is we are going to add a flash. Okay? The only way I know how to do it, because I've done it a couple times before, and it works pretty well, is we're going to add a white screen. We're going to cover this in white. And so what we'll do is right when this turns on, alright, so what we'll do is we're going to cover this. Is that right? Oh no, that's a mask. Okay, and we need, turn that off, turn that on, turn it off. Alright, let's see. That looks amazing. Cool. Cool, cool, cool.